Hi everyone, good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to do vegetables, flowers in pots. If you have a small garden and you don't have much ground, don't panic, don't worry. I've got the perfect solution for you. Let's get cracking. Okay, now I'm just going to do some flowers. I'm going to show you how to do that, and then I'm going to show you after what I've done with the vegetable and everything else. Okay, I have a big tall pot in here, and if I bend this here, I've put some rock for two reasons. Because I don't need the soil all the way down, because those flowers doesn't need deep roots, and secondly it gets very windy here. I don't want my pot to blow over in the wind. And before I put the rocks, I put some holes with a drill because we want good drainage. Okay, so I want to show you what flowers I have here. So to begin, this will go in the middle. I've got the iris, beautiful yellow color, and here, I mean, you can't go wrong with petunias. And here I've got coleus, which is really beautiful red color, and this one is here, I think Colosia, yeah, no, Celosia, yeah, a beautiful reddish color. And here I've got those annual daisies, which is just annually, but I love the flowers. They are really beautiful. Okay, and what have I got here? I've got some beautiful organic potting soil. Yeah, so I'm going to pour that in there. Okay, and here I've got some blood meal, and it just helps with the flowers, especially in pots, help to flourish, to get good roots and blooming as well. So I'm just going to put a good 2 handful on the top here. Yeah, maybe a bit more because there's a lot of flowers. That should do. Okay guys, sorry, that wasn't the iris, was the daylily. Sorry, my mistake. Okay, so oh, look at these beautiful roots. Look at that. So I'm going to just put my gloves on. Okay, so this will go in right here in the middle. Voila, we've got some beautiful yellow daylilies here, some annual daisies, pink and white, coleus, petunias, and celosia. That is absolutely gorgeous. And here I have some pellets here, just for blooming, and it helps for the flower to keep coming. So I'm just going to sprinkle just a tiny bit, so when I water, just get some nutrients. Okay guys, I want to show you what else I've done. And here you see I've got some herbs. I've got mint and rosemary and thyme, and it smells beautiful. And you could see in my corner there, I got my chair where I sit and reading my book. Such a beautiful space. So you could do that, and you can move the plant anywhere you like, really, because you know it's easy to move. And if you want to put at the front door, just this place was really bland and really ugly. There was nothing here, and I sit here a lot, so it's a nice place to sit, and it's a nice place to just, you know, in the shade as well. In the morning we have shade, in the afternoon we have plenty of sun. And here I have tomatoes, yeah, a mixture. So I have tomatoes here, and here I've got a chili plant. Here I've got some zinnias, you could see, and let me move here. If you love roses, I've got the best roses for you. This one is Royal Bonica and it smells divine. If you want your garden to smell like Chanel, I'm talking really lovely scent, and 3 roses I've got here that would really have beautiful smell. And oh, this is absolutely divine. So that's one, and this one is one of my favorite. It's called David Austin, and look at this. That is so beautiful. It's just a light pink and white and light pink. I'm going to smell it and you're going to see the look on my face. Obviously this is, I mean, like a Chanel perfume. It smells like that. It's absolutely gorgeous. So if you want your garden to smell like this too. And the last one I'm going to show you here, this is called Double Delight. I don't know why it's called Double Delight. I guess it's two-tone. You could see here it's cream and pinkish. And look at this one. Look at that. So beautiful. Let me have a little sniff. Oh, gorgeous. Really gorgeous. And here I have some basil and some parsley which I planted. And here I just got the different type of petunias, which is lovely. It's going to flow down my little tray here. And here I have foxglove. That's so beautiful. And you can plant anything really. You can have any vegetables, mix and match, and just to beautify your patio, your front door garden, by your kitchen, and anywhere that's boring, and you can move it around. And it's just so beautiful. And I sit here, I drink my cup of tea, and I'm smelling my roses, and I'm like, what a beautiful to be. You know, the Bible says in his presence there's fullness of joy. When I'm sitting here, I see God's glory everywhere, all sort of shapes, size, colors, and I see God's creation in every little detail. And God has created you for a purpose. You are unique. You don't have to be a copy of somebody else. God has a calling on your life. Whatever He's called you to do it with excellence. Do it for His glory. And that's why we are here on this earth, to do God's work. And God bless you, and I hope you enjoy these beautiful flowers and some few vegetables. So send me pictures and comment and show me your garden. I love to see. God bless, and we'll see you soon.
All I want is you in front of me. I could have another, but you're always gonna be my own. All I want